Good morning, everyone, and happy Monday. It is Julie here with your TipRanks pre-market morning update, where we're bringing you everything you need to know before the market opens. So let's get into it. All right, guys, welcome back. Thank you all so much for being here. I hope you had a lovely weekend. This is just a reminder that I'll be hanging out on the TipRanks TV comment section following this morning's video to say good morning and chat with you all. So let me know your thoughts on the market this week. And while you're there, don't forget to check out some of the TipRanks TV exclusive series, including some of our Canadian stocks and analyzing for alpha. Now, of course, this morning we'll be taking a look at exciting stock market news. Not a ton for earnings this morning, but we will let you know what big names are coming up this week, and we'll take a look at the morning's biggest gainers and losers. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you're subscribed to the channel as well. Now let's get right into this morning's exciting stock market news. U.S. stock futures are currently in the red this morning. Dow futures are currently down 0.32%, S&P 500 futures down 0.16%, and NASDAQ futures down 0.34%. Aerospace and defense company General Dynamics announced that one of their subsidiaries has secured a $4.5 billion contract with the NGA. The 10-year contract is a user-facing and data center services contract from the National Geospatial Intelligence Agency, or NGA. The terms of the contract entail General Dynamics providing hybrid cloud services to NGA and its mission partners, which includes, among others, commercial clouds and data center services, IT design services, engineering, and implementation capabilities. The General Dynamics stock is rated a moderate buy with an average upside of over 14%. Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway has agreed to acquire Alleghany in a deal worth $11.6 billion. Alleghany is a property and casualty reinsurance company. The deal is expected to close in the fourth quarter and represents a 29% premium to Alleghany's average stock price over the last 30 days. Buffett said that Berkshire will be the perfect permanent home for Alleghany, a company that I have closely observed for 60 years. The Berkshire Hathaway stock does just have one analyst rating with an average upside of over 6%. Brookfield Business Partners has agreed to acquire Australian-based non-bank lender and asset manager La Trobe Financial in a deal worth $1.1 billion. La Trobe oversees fixed income credit funds for more than 50,000 qualified retail investors. It also finances loans to high-quality borrowers in the Australian real estate credit market and has over 13 billion Australian dollars in assets under management. The $1.1 billion transaction amount also includes a contingent payment, which is linked to the underlying business notching certain performance milestones. The transaction is expected to close in Q2 of 2022. The Brookfield stock is rated a strong buy with an average upside of 75%. Digital infrastructure company Equinix revealed that it acquired 4 data centers from Chilean telecommunications company Entel in a deal worth $705 million. This will help enhance their presence in the Latin American regions of Chile and Peru, with enterprise edge spending in Latin America to reach over $8.5 billion by 2024. The region represents a strong growth market for Equinix, especially Chile, which remains the country with the highest GDP per capita in the region. The acquisition of these 4 data centers is likely to position Equinix as a leading player in the digital infrastructure space in the region and also leave significant scope for future expansion. Analysts rate their stock a moderate buy with an average upside of nearly 12%. Now moving over to notable earnings reports. As I mentioned at the start, this morning is quite quiet for earnings reports. In the after hours, we'll be hearing from Nike and Tencent Music Entertainment, and in the rest of the week we have big names like Carnival Cruise Lines, Adobe, General Mills, and NEO. So let's move right along to this morning's biggest gainers and losers. Our biggest gainers this morning are led by Anaplan after they agreed to be acquired by Thoma Bravo for $10.7 billion. Under the ticker PLAN, the stock is currently up over 28%. They're followed by the Allegheny stock under the ticker Y. Following the news of the Berkshire Hathaway deal, their stock is currently up 22.85%. And Renew Energy Global under the ticker RNW, their stock is up nearly 9% on no distinct news, possibly just recovering from dips at the end of last week. Our biggest losers this morning are led by Nielsen Holdings. Their stock is tumbling after they rejected a roughly $9 billion takeover offer. Under the ticker NLSN, the stock is down over 18%. They're followed by Hexcel under the ticker HXL. Their stock is down over 15%, but I wasn't able to find any distinct news. And Pinduoduo under the ticker PDD, their stock is down 7% following their fourth quarter results. So that is going to be everything for Monday's pre-market morning update, getting you up to speed with what you need to know before that opening bell. If you made it to the end of today's video, make sure you head over to TipRanks TV and say good morning in the comments over there. There'll be a link in the description down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful Monday, and I'll see you back here next time.